What would you say to a free 3-day online event full of short, hands-on workshops all about architectural sketching and drawing? More than 30 instructors will be sharing with you their expertise in both analog and digital sketching. It's a chance for you to level up your drawing skills and discover new drawing techniques and apps, including areas like watercolor painting, conceptual design sketching, perspective drawing, sketching from imagination, interior design and landscape design drawing, apps on iPad like Morpholio Trace, Procreate, or Concepts. Welcome to Sketching Retreat 2022. Hi, my name is David Drazil and I'm the founder of sketchlikeanarchitect.com, and I'll be your host for this whole event. I'm very excited to bring you some of the best architectural sketching artists, architects, designers, and instructors all in one place and one time. The event will officially kick off on November 8, 2022, and it's free to register. Click the link around this video to save your free spot, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the workshops. Cheers!